This is my short makeup tutorial for my caramel brown skin for a natural look. Just subscribe, leave comments down below, and don't forget to hit that bell so you be notified when I have more videos. I usually do videos about hair growth or hair care tips, or even how to treat your curly hair, all different ways to speed up your hair growth and hair care, things all about the hair. But today, I'm just going to show you a quick way of how I put my makeup on. I read some comments down below on some of my videos, and some people actually liked how I did my makeup. So this is the makeup I use, and this is how I apply it on my face. I use a lot of different shades of makeup, and I like to blend it on this metal plate right here that I'm showing, and I use like 3 different colors on a little palette, and I use quite a bit different names. I'm not consistent using just one name of makeup because my complexion is very hard to find the right match. As you see, like my forehead is a little darker, and then under my eyes a lot darker, and then it's lighter on my chin. So yeah, I have to mix a lot of different colors just to get my complexion. But let's get started. I made for sure I washed my hands. Like I said, I already mixed the colors. I'm dabbing it just in the areas where I want full coverage, because this is very thick. This is called NYX. It's a contour beautiful kit. I think I got this at a boutique store. Will hide any scars or freckles or dark marks or bruises. Still carries this, but this is like a MAC cream hydration illumination. It's like a very pink iridescent cream moisturizer I put under my eye and on my cheekbone. Key to applying foundation is I let it sit a little bit in some areas, and then I get my brush and I just blend it in a little bit. And I just keep applying little by little and keep blending and using different brushes too. All right, so I put a little bit of the Brown This Way matte. It's Too Faced, the 24-hour full coverage foundation. I put a little bit of that on the metal tray and mix that up with the other remaining makeup I had, foundation. And that's the one that I first put on my face in the very, very beginning. I just want to show you guys the color. So it comes with six great colors, and all of them can work for me, except one is extremely dark. And I always like to apply the foundation on my neck, you guys. I really think that the girls that put so much beautiful makeup all over their face and they forget their neck, or only put a little bit of sheer powder on their neck, it just looks ridiculous. That's my opinion. I think you have to apply just the amount of the same makeup you put on your face has to go on your neck too. Just so it blends in evenly. So I'm just putting in all the areas, just highlighting, my key points, and then I'm gonna get another brush and blend it in. A tip when you're applying your makeup, make sure your brushes are clean, you guys. You don't want to break out your face. Just a simple reminder, you guys, whoever's watching this video, I am not a professional makeup artist. I have taught myself actually through YouTube and friends and family. I'm not professional. I do like Fendi. So this is her Fendi stick. It's one of the first things that she came out with when she launched makeup. Her stick matches me to the T. And then I like this inexpensive, you can get at CVS, inexpensive foundation. I just lightly put that on my cheeks. It has a little shimmer to it, and it's very, very sheer. I don't know if you guys been keeping track of how many different foundations I have, but you see I just love foundation. This one I almost ran out, so I have to dig my fingernail. I usually don't apply it this way, but this is actually Sephora, you guys. Sephora's full coverage thick foundation. It is so bomb, y'all. It is so thick, and I think they discontinued it. I have to double check, but man, I'm holding on to this little one. I was trying to reorder, I just could not get it. The color matches to the T. Well, yeah, let me tell you a little bit about my skin. So, you know, it's a T-zone. I have a pretty much a natural T-zone. I don't have oily skin and I don't have dry skin, but I do live in a place that is more dry, so my skin tends to be more dry than oily. But I put moisturizer on at night. Oh, this is some beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow, you guys. All these great colors. I just dig my little clean finger in there and just wipe it right underneath my eye. It's a great highlighter. The palette is so beautiful. The colors are amazing. It's a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. Anastasia eyeshadow, beautiful colors. Anyway, I'm going to list all the makeup down below in the bio so you guys get to see the prices and how much they cost and where to get it at. Now that I highlight my face, I like to throw a good nice mist spray like that, and that's by MAC. And then I make my own mist spray that it just has water and a little bit of castor oil in there, and it just sets the makeup and just gives it a nice natural look. Time to brush the eyebrows. Eyebrows are very important, you guys. I like the full thick eyebrow. When I get it waxed, I just ask for a cleanup. I never ask for like shape it, make it match, oh because they always go too small, too thin, too narrow of an eyebrow. So I just go in with my eyebrow pencil and just color it in a little bit. I'm using dark brown, or you can use your eyeshadow and mix your black and brown together and give it a nice little look. Butter Lips by NYX. I love this color. I hope you guys enjoyed my fast makeup tutorial. Now you know what I put on my face and how fast I do my makeup and how I apply my makeup to my face. So I will do another video about this hair, but anyway, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.